What's going on, everybody? It's January 9th, 2021. We're going to do a brad nail review. We got the M18 Milwaukee's brad nailer, Generation 2. Stick around. We'll go through it. Okay, guys, we got the M18 fuel brad nailer from Milwaukee. The code is 2746-20. So today we'll be shooting some brad nails and some of this oak, poplar, and pine. We'll be using 1 1/4 inch and 2 inch brad nails. Okay, let's look at some of the specs. It'll shoot 5/8 inch up to 2 1/8 inch nail. Magazine capacity is 110. Magazine loading, slide loading. Max fire rate 3 nails per second. Firing mode sequential or contact actuation. Length and width 11.7, so basically 11.5 inches length, and then the width is like 3 1/3 inch in width. Weight basically 5.5 pounds. So this is tool only, so keep in mind you will need the battery pack and charger if you were going to go down this route. It also has a 5-year warranty. Guys, what's cool about this is an 8-amp battery. Okay, right now running through, I want to say it's January 31st 2021. If you buy this brad nailer $279 at Home Depot, you get this battery for free. So not a bad deal. You get a free $200 battery if you buy this within roughly the next 2 weeks. Again, this ends at the end of the month, January, I believe it's January 31st 2021. Check your local area for what the deal is in your area. So okay, guys, you got your trigger, of course, handle, nice handle. Power actuation, so you have single mode, or if you want to like a bump fire. If you want bump fire, you would have to hold that down for a second and it'll switch to the 3-round. Key thing about this is you can't just push it real quick. You actually have to hold it down for 1 second, and then it'll go over just like that. You got a hook that can be changed to the other side. It's your push release. So you're gonna push right here, release, load your brad nails, lock it in place. Workpiece contact is right here. Okay, you also have some extra workpiece contacts right here that are on the side. Your jam latch, every now and then you'll have a jam nail. So what you do is you just pick up right here. There's a little edge right here. You pick up, take it undone. You're going to get something to get your brad nail out. You would go back and latch it just like so, and you're good to go. Your depth adjustment, when you're holding it, your depth adjustment is on the right side. It's going to be right here. So basically, if you turn it to the right this way, the depth will be less. If you turn it that way, the depth will be deeper. Okay. Your LED light on this thing is weird because it's down here. I don't know why they didn't put it up here. I would have put it up here so it's right in the line of what you're doing, but it is down here. Maybe it is bright enough to. Here's your clip for your battery contacts on the bottom, and it makes a good stand. You can just set it there. I'm gonna cut these boards up to make them at least 2 inches thick so we can pop nails in here. Okay, we got a full bar. Let's try it out. As you can see, our first shot was not deep enough, so let's adjust our settings. So we'll go ahead and come over here. We'll give it a couple clicks. It was all the way. Actually, it was over here, so we'll do 2 clicks. Oop. So we went about like 11 clicks over, and we're able to get this with the pine. So now we're where we want. We adjusted it to where we want, just below the surface. We're at that 1 1/4 inch. And it is pretty consistent and quiet. You can see how consistent that is. They're about the same depth. This is 1 1/4. Guys, this thing is a breeze. You can just see they're pretty much equal the whole way. Equal in depth. Let's switch on over to the oak. These are still 1 1/4. As you can see with the oak, we would have to do a little adjustment because they were right on the edge. Now we're going to take out the 1 1/4. So we'll go with 2 inch now. 2 inch. Lock it. We're going to do 2 inch nails. When in pine. Okay, pretty even. Let's try this poplar wood. 2 inch brad nails. Okay. You see with poplar, a little bit thicker wood, and we're gonna have to make an adjustment. So if we're gonna have to make an adjustment with poplar, we're gonna have to make an adjustment with oak. We're gonna go to our setting, and we're gonna make this deeper. So I'm gonna turn it that way. Okay guys, we're still on 2 inch nails. We're gonna hit this center part. You see these over here? They sunk. Okay. These were flush with the surface. There might have been a couple more clicks. Do 2 more clicks. You know how I'm doing it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 more clicks. Let's go to the oak now. We need some more clicks for the oak. So I'm all the way with the oak. And it finally, it's finally sinking them all the way. The settings all the way to get through the 2 inch is all the way. Now let's do some application in the house. Let's do some trim boards. So just to explain single sequential actuation operation better, as if you have it just on the single mode, you'd hold that, you'd be on single, and every time if you're pulling the trigger, it's not going to do anything. You would have to actually pull the trigger each time. But if you want to go to contact bump actuation, right, you would hold this down and it switches over. You see that? You hold the mode, single, and then in this setting, in the contact bump actuation set operation, you can literally hold the trigger down, and every time you make contact, see, I'm holding the trigger down the whole time. Okay, now letting go. There's like 0 ramp up, almost 0 ramp up. So guys, I just got a little mock-up of, shooting my trim board into a stud. I know there is going to be a, a 1/2 inch sheetrock there. I just really didn't take that into account. It will shoot through sheetrock easy. So I just did a little mock-up of this and got it to that, what I wanted right there. Okay guys, we're just popping these trim boards in. Pretty good shot. I'm totally sold on that. No more hoses. No more hoses, no more loud compressor. Can't beat it. So the LED light, you hit the button and that's what you get, I mean, it's not completely lit, but that's what you get with the LED light though. Touch it once. There you go. It's on there. What's up, guys? I hope you guys liked the review. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.